wake up in the morning, and what do? You get yourself ready to go to school. But you don't have to go to school this time because school is closed. School at home, school at home. Let's get ready for some school at home. School at home, school at home. It's time for school at home.
Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. Today's a brand new week. That means we have lots of new things to learn together. Let's start with the date. Today is Monday, April 27th. Monday, April 27th. Let's see if you can help me find Monday on our days of the week. Now, Monday is the first day of the work week. The first day. Can you find the first day in the work week? There it is. Monday comes first. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Let's count how many days there are in the work week. That means that those are the days that we normally go to work or to school. And those are the days you're going to be doing school at home. Let's count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in the work week. When we look at the whole week, including the weekends, there's more days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days total. But right now we're just looking at these 5. These are the days that we do school at home. Since today is Monday, we're going to be looking at some Math Monday. And for today's math, we're going to do something called comparative shopping. Comparative shopping is when we look at 2 different prices for the same thing and we find out which one costs less money, which one has a smaller price. We want to spend less money so then we can buy more stuff, or we can save our money. It's responsible to figure out what thing costs less. So we're going to look at the computer together and see if we can use some tools to help us figure out which price is smaller or less money than the other price. Can you help me? Thanks. Let's do it together. Alrighty, here we are, ready to do our comparative shopping. Let me just move my picture so then that way you can see the picture on the screen. Here, this word says comparative shopping. In the picture, you can see there's lots of different price tags, but we have to find which one has the smallest number, the itty bitty teeny tiny number. Let's look at our first one together. So this says we're looking at buying an animal book. Ooh, let me bring it closer for you. Here's what we're buying. And you can see they're both animal books, but one costs $5 and the other one costs $2. But which one's smaller? Which one's less money? Well, let's figure it out together. We can move our dollar bills. We're going to count 5 for this one because it says the number 5. Can you help me count? Great. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and $5. Great. Thank you for helping. What number do we have over here? That's right. That's the number 2. So let's move $2 from our wallet to pay for the item. Now we have to see which group is smaller. We can see these $5 make a big tower up high, but this $2 one only makes a smaller tower. Which tower is smaller? Which cost is less? That's right, $2 is less. It's smaller amount of money. That's the one that we want to buy. So we're going to go ahead and put our big green circle around the one that's cheaper, the one that costs less. That's this one. $2 is less money. It's cheaper than $5. We're going to try one more with whole numbers, and then we're going to do it with dollar up. So now let's look at what we're trying to buy. Ooh, what do we have here? We have Skittles. 2 packs of Skittles, but they cost different money. How much money does this one cost? That's right, this says $6. But what about these Skittles? How much are they? Yeah, these ones cost $3. Can you help me make another tower and see which one is cheaper? Thanks. Let's do it together. So first, we need to count $6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh, I don't have enough room, so I'm going to go down here and make a second layer. 6. $6. Let's see over here. We're going to put 3. 1, 2, $3. Which one is smaller? Which one has less money? I think you're right. I think the $3 tower is smaller. This one only goes to here, but the $6 one goes all the way to the top and it has an extra dollar. This one costs more money, so we don't want to buy that one. That one costs too much money. We want to buy these Skittles that only cost $3. So let's put our circle around the items that cost less. This one's only $3. Nice work. So far, we've been using exact bills, meaning this is exactly $6. There's no coins. See right here? That says 0. That means the price had no coins. This one has zeros too. So the price has no coins. Let's look at some that do have coins where we have to use dollar up. Here we go. We're comparing 2 Klondike bars. Here's Klondike, and here's a Klondike bar. This one, on this page, for example, we're comparing 2 of the same things. We're comparing Klondike bars. Both boxes of Klondike bars are the same, but they cost a different amount. How much does this one cost over here? That's right, this is a 2. It's $2.50. This one has coins. Since there's coins, we're going to have to use the dollar up method. Same with this price over here. This price is $4.89. $4 and some coins. So since there's $4 and coins, we'll have to use a dollar up for that one too. Let's start with this one. To do the dollar up, we first look at the whole number. The whole number's 2. So let's count $2. Help me. 1, $2. But don't forget, they're coins, so we have to do one more dollar. Good job, one more dollar. Now let's do it with our other price. The whole number, the first number is, that's right, that's the number 4. So we're going to count $4. 1, 2, thanks for counting with me. 3, $4. $4. But don't forget, we have to do one more dollar for the coins. Now, since I'm stacking them about the same, I can see that this tower is much bigger, but we don't want the bigger tower. We want the smaller tower, the one that costs less money. Oh, not over there, silly. This one. This one costs less money. That's the right answer. Do you think you could try one more with me? Okay, let's look at the cost of our ice cream cone. How much does the first ice cream cost? That's right, it's $1.99. $1 and some coins. So we're going to put $1 and then one more dollar. There we go. Now let's do this side. This side costs $2.99. So $2. Let's start with $2. 1, 2. $2 and some coins. Don't forget. One more dollar. Good job. One more dollar. Now these towers are pretty close. Which one is smaller? Which one has less money? I know, this one's tricky. Look, I can draw a line and show you. If I put a line right at the top of this one and draw it across, you can see that this tower's bigger. This one, the money doesn't get all the way to the top. So this tower's actually smaller. Let's put our green circle around the smaller price. Good job. Are you ready to try some even harder numbers? Me too. Let's go try them together. Now we're going to learn how to use a number line to compare the costs for two things. Right now we're looking at the cost for 2 cakes. The cakes are the same, but the prices, how much they cost, are not the same. How do we know which one costs less? Which one's cheaper to buy for us? Well, we can use a number line. A number line is just a line with different numbers on it. And the numbers are small on this left side, and then they get bigger as you go to the right. Let's count the numbers together. What's this number? Yeah, this one can be tricky because we don't see it as much. This is 0. That's nothing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is our number line that goes to 10. 10 is a bigger number than 1. Now, we can use our number line to figure out which cake is less money, is smaller? Which one costs less? So let's start by looking, just like we did before, at the whole number. That first number. What number is this? Right. That's the number 3. But wait, does this have coins? Yes, if there's numbers on this side of the period, that means there's coins. And if there's coins, that means we have to say, one more dollar. Let's do it with this price down here. What number is that? That's right. That's the number 9. Let's find 9 on our number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But wait, are there coins? Yes, there are coins, so we're going to go, oops, one more dollar. Now we can check and see which cake costs less, which one's cheaper. The one that's cheaper is the one that's closer to the 0. Is 4 closer to the 0, or is 10 closer to the 0? That's right. 4 is pretty close to the 0. It's smaller. 10 is super far away from the 0. So far. So the one that costs less, the one that's cheaper, is actually this top cake. So again, we're going to put our big circle around the top cake. Let's move it on this number. This price is cheaper. Good job. Let's try one that's extra hard. Can you help me? All right. Now we're looking at buying an iPad, a cheap iPad, but we're buying an iPad. Now this iPad and this iPad are the same, but they cost a different amount. So again, we have to figure out which one's cheaper. This time we're using a number line that goes from 0 all the way to, what's that number? You're right, there's a 1 and there's a 5. Together it's called 15. So let's start by looking at this price. What's the whole number, the big number at the front? That's right, the whole number is 10. So let's move our green circle to the 10. Now, is there coins? Yeah, there are coins. So we're going to move it up one more dollar. Let's do it for this price. What number is that? It's a big number, a 1 and a 4. That number is 14. Here it is, a 1 and a 4, 14. But are there coins? Yeah, there are coins, so we're going to move it up one more dollar. Now, the last step is to see which number is closer to 0. 11's kind of far from 0, but it's closer than 15. 15 is super far from 0. So 11 is cheaper. 11 costs less. Is cheaper. It costs less. That's the product we want to buy. Nice work. That was great. Thanks for helping me practice comparing the prices of different items. Remember, we always want to try and buy the thing that costs the least, the smallest amount of money. so then you can save money for other things. Now that you helped me do it on the computer, I want you to try. Let's take a look at how.
Now that it's your turn to try, you can do it at home with just a couple simple steps. First, go to our class website, and if you don't have the link, message me. Then we're going to click this third tab here that says Money and Math Lessons, and that's when you'll find most of the lessons that I've already created. I don't want to put them all up here because then it takes the page forever to load. On this left side here, you will see the YouTube video once I'm done with it, the one I'm recording right now. And then on the right side is the PowerPoint. Now, if you just click through it, you can't do anything. It won't let you move anything. It just clicks you right through the slides. So instead, what you want to do is click this little icon up here in the corner. That will open up this tab, which again, not that helpful. If you click, it's just going to send you through. But then this little bar opens up on the bottom. Ignore this particular bar. That one is just one I have because I'm recording. But this bar will be down here. And then you want to click this little options icon. And then you want to click Open Editor. Now this will be accessible and editable for you. But you don't want to edit it. If you edit this document, it's going to edit it on my actual website. And then if any other students come on, it's going to be already complete for them. So instead, what you want to do is come up here where it says File, and then you want to scroll down to Make a Copy, and then Entire Presentation. Then this beginning part, you can just, change it from copy to the student's name. So let's say this one is for Stephanie. We write Stephanie, then we click OK. Now it's made an entire copy for Stephanie, and you can tell because up here it says her name. Then you can go ahead and complete the whole task at home.
To do this, just drag and drop the dollar bills.
After you've finished it all, I'm not going to finish it all, but after you finish the whole thing, then you can click this icon up at the top that says Share. Press Share, and you can type in my address, which is smercer@orangeusd.org. Boom. And then you just send it to me. If you want, you can even write a note. Look, Stephanie's homework. Yay. And then send. And then it goes directly to my email. I can open it up and see the work she did, which is awesome. So I did mine, and now it's your turn to try at home, if you can and you have time. Bye.